Hello everyone, this is Deepa Parekh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Anywhere, Anytime. Today we'll start with question number 1 of exercise 2.7, chapter 2, fractions and decimals. Here the first question is to find, in which there are sub-questions 7. Okay, we'll start with the first question here. Question is 0.4 divided by 2. In our earlier videos, we saw the multiplication of decimals. Now in exercise 2.7, we will see the division of decimals. How do we divide and how we calculate the points to be inserted there. Okay? It's very simple. It's just little things which we need to be careful of while putting the decimal points. Okay? So here the answer, now since as we have discussed earlier that any number before the decimal point, if it is 0, it has no value. Okay, here, so what we'll do is, how will we do the calculation? 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. Simple. 2 will go in 4 how many times? 2 times. 4, answer is 0. So what is the answer here? 2. Now, since there is one decimal point here and there is one number after the decimal point, what will be the answer here? It will be 0.2. Now we normally don't write 0.2. What we write? 0.2. So the first answer we got for this question is 0.2. Clear? Moving to the second sub-question, which is 0.35 divided by 5. How will we do this? As I told you earlier, taking 35 divided by 5. Simple. 5 will go in 35. How many times? 7 times. 7 5s are 35. Okay, considering the point here, there are two decimal points. There are two numbers after the decimal point, whereas the answer is only one number. So how we put here? 0.07. Okay, and since there is no number before the point, we put it as 0. Clear? You understood why we took 0.7? Because there are two numbers after the decimal point. So after calculating the answer, we need to calculate the number of numbers after the decimal point, which are 2. So here we put 0.7. Sub-question number 3, that is 2.48 divided by 4. Okay, so how will we take this here? 248 divided by 4. So since there is a big number, the first two numbers will take the calculation. 24. So 4 divided by 24 divided by 4. So how many times will this 4 go in 24? 8 times. 7 4s. 6 4s are 24. I'll put here 6. 6 4s are 24. 0 0. Bring down this 8. Now how many times will the 4 go in 8? 2 times, right? 0 0. So what we got the answer here? 62. Since this is 2 number and there are 2 numbers after the decimal point, answer will be 0.62. No number before the decimal, we put 0. So answer here is 0.62. Clear? Moving to the next question, sub-question, question number 4, that is 65.4 divided by 6. Now what is 654 divided by 6? Now 6 will go in 6, how many times? 1 time. 6, yeah, so it will be 0. Now we'll bring down this 5. Now will 5 go here in 6? No, because 5 is smaller than 6. So what we do? We bring down 4. Okay. Now since we brought down 4, this number was not going, we'll put a 0 here, and then it gets the permission to bring down the 4. Now see how many times 6 will go in 54. By calculation we'll say 9 6 are 54. 6 9s are 54. So the answer here would be 0. Okay. Now after how many points is the number here? It is after one number. There's only one number after the decimal point. So what will be the answer here? It will be 10.9. Why? Because there is only one number after the decimal point, and here that's why we put only one number. We take only one number after the decimal point. Next, moving towards question number 5. Question number 5 says 651.2 divided by 4. So let's see the calculation for this. We'll do a bit little here so that there would be no confusion. 6512 divided by 4. Now since 6 is bigger than 4, we'll take one number. 4 will go in 6 how many times? One time. 4. Carry brought down 2, because 6 minus 4 is 2. Next we bring down 5. 4 will go in 25 how many times? 6 times. 6 4s are 24. Put 1, because 5 minus 4 is 1 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So we'll put this 1 here and bring down this 1 here. Why? Because 4 will not go in 1. So we'll bring down this 1. 11. Now how many times will 4 go in 11? 2 times. Wow, 4 2s are 8. Why? Because 4 3s are 12. So we'll have to take the lower number. 4 2s are 8. Now 8 minus 11, 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay. Now since 3 is smaller than 4, we'll bring down this last number, which is 2. So how many times will 4 go in 32? Yes, 8 times. 8 4s are 32. Clear? So what would be the answer? 1628. Now since there is only one number after the decimal point, we will keep the answer as 162.8. Clear? Now the next question we will move is towards question number 6. Now question number 6 here is 14.49 divided by 7. 14.49. So here we can do as 1449 divided by 7. Okay. Now since 1 is smaller, we'll have to take two numbers. 7 will go in 14 how many times? 7 2s are 14. 0 0. Now bring down 4. Now since 4 is smaller, to bring down another number, we'll have to first put 0. And then we can bring down 9. So here it became 49. Now 7 will go in 49 how many times? 7 times. 7 7s are 49. Answer is here. So here what we got as the answer? 207. Now here after how many decimal points are there? How many numbers are there? There are two numbers after decimal point, and here we have got the answer as 207. So what would be the final answer here? 2.07. Clear? Because there are two numbers after the decimal point. Now moving to the next question, question number 7. It is 0.80 divided by 5. So calculating here, 80 divided by 5. Now 8 will, since 8 is bigger, we'll just take first number. 5 will go in 8 how many times? One time. Why? Because 5 2s are 10, so we have to take the smaller number. So right here 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now since 3 is smaller, we'll bring down this 0. 5 will go in 30 6 times. 6 5s are 30. Clear? So here, since after the decimal point there are two numbers, and we have got the answer as 16, the answer here would be 0.16. So basically it's 0.16, and since there is no number before, we put as 0. Clear? I hope this is clear to everyone. This was the end of question number 1 under the exercise 2.7. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, request you all to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.